Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a review and demo of this product right here. Do you guys know what this is? Do you want to know what it is? Okay, let me just explain. This is called a 3D pen. The 3D pen is a 3D printing device in form of a pen. So you insert a plastic filament in the back of the pen and it comes out as hot plastic and you can mold it in any shape you want. Now here there are a couple of buttons on the side and I'll explain what they do in just a bit. But let me just show you this first. It looks really cute, I feel. Like this elephant head right here with the 2 ears and the 2 eyes. They look pretty cute. Also, yeah, let's get on with the buttons. The first button here is the extrude button. It's basically the button you use to print. And this here is the unloading button, which removes the filament out of the pen. The nib extrudes the filament out and it dries up from there. This button right here is for the speed settings, high speed and low speed. Now, here, let me show you up close of how it is. This LED is the HS speed, that is high speed, and this is LS. LS means low speed. Now, this one is PLA and this is ABS. There are two types of plastics that go along with this pen. I'm using PLA for now. Okay guys, so this is the filament right here, this grey plastic reel. So these are the filaments that I got in the box, yellow and orange, and I also got blue, red and ochre. Like I got 6 colors along with this box. So you need a cable, I think it's a micro USB, and you get this inside the box. So a couple of things I made, like a floating island. The second thing I made is Captain America badge shield. And the third thing, this was pretty big and my Marvel Legends figure had broken. So I made this one. This is like a stand for the figure. And I think it's pretty nice. It's like a broken patch of road, like with this light pole behind him. So I kept it to support his leg. So yeah, that's the third thing. Now back to the pen. So yeah, let's start. Okay guys, so first of all, I have this template right here, so we're gonna ignore this part, that's not required. So this, we're going to make a hand of Iron Man. I'm going to base this off Mark 85, the one in Endgame. I'm going to try my best. So I have the reels right here. I'm going to use yellow. I'm going to use red right here as primary colors, like the primary colors for the hand, and this blue one will be for the repulsor, like the arc reactor in the middle of his hand. Now there's this grey plastic filament and I need the blue one, so I'm just gonna exchange that right now. There, that's much better. Let me just get this in. So if you guys didn't notice how I removed the grey filament, it's basically I double click the unload button twice. That way the filament gets unloaded. Now I'm going to add this blue filament onto my pen. You have to click the load. It's also the extrude button. So the load and extrude button are the same button. So you got to click that and insert the filament. So the motor, it keeps moving the filament in. And now I guess it's just time to wait for the plastic to come out of the nib. Okay guys, so yeah, we're gonna make the arc reactor right now, or you can call it the repulsor. I call it both sometimes, I don't know, you can call it whatever you want. So I'm gonna start using the blue filament on this template right here. I printed it out. If you want it, I will link it down in the description below, and I'll link also the channel that I got this template from. Shout out to them. I think the template came up pretty good. This was meant to actually be for cardboard, but I think it will go along with 3D pen also just fine. Now I'm going to take this board right here so that like I don't spoil the wooden table. It's always better to be safe. Now I'm going to start filling this blue in. Now guys, for the arc reactor slash repulsor, call it whatever you want, I think the proportions just fine and the circles come out pretty good, and yeah, I'm excited. Now let's move on to the yellow part. Okay guys, so I think it's come out good. Like I can add on more, like, so I'm gonna add like the red part right here, and backside obviously, so that it like holds the whole thing in place. So I'll be back here. This is the red and yellow part. So far that I've done, I think the red parts come out very nice. I'm going to add the back cover. I'm going to make sure it's sturdy, and I'm going to show you the final product. So this is the template. I'm going to pass this onto the glove. So yeah, I'll be back in just a sec. Okay guys, so we're finally done with it. It took about 30 minutes to 1 hour probably to make this. So it's come out pretty nice. Some parts are missing, that's because the filament wasn't enough. So I guess I'll complete it whenever I have, or I'll just leave it like this. I like it this way. It's kind of open, it gives my arm a little more free space. So this part it's covered fully, so I think that's nice. Backside's half covered, so I think it's still pretty nice. Now for the moving arm test, so I think you can move your arm pretty good around in it. Yeah, I think it's pretty accurate to Avengers Endgame, like except for the part that it's open. Except for that, like everything's pretty much spot on. So I'm really happy that I got these filaments. I'm able to make such cool items. And this pen, make sure, like, also a safety tip, do not touch the black part or the nib. They are very hot, okay, unless you are experienced or an adult. So thank you for seeing this video. Volt 3D I would definitely recommend. I'll link it down in the description below, the filaments and the pen, if you want to buy it. So yeah, the final product, pretty good. If you liked this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later.